In the last video, we downloaded the dataset from Kaggle. Now let's locate where the file is saved. By default, the dataset is placed in the MATLAB bin directory. Let's navigate there. We're going to C program files, and here's our dataset, maliciousfishexcel.xlsx. This is the file we'll be working with today. Now let's switch to MATLAB and write a script to read and load the data using the xlsread command. I've started a new script and added a comment to explain what we're doing. In MATLAB, it's good practice to use comments to make your code more understandable. We're using the xlsread command to read the Excel file and store the data in three variables: num data, text data, and raw data. Let's run the script now. A window pops up asking for the name and location to save the script. I'll name it URL classification and save it in the same bin directory where our dataset is located. The code is now running, and after a brief moment, it's successfully executed. MATLAB has read the Excel file and loaded the data into the workspace. Let's check the workspace to see our data. As you can see, we have three variables. I'll double click on each one to show you what's inside. Num data contains all the numerical data from the Excel file. Raw data is a combination of both text and numbers. Text data stores the text entries. That's how you read and load data from an Excel file using xlsread in MATLAB. In the next part, we'll explore the data and start preparing it for training our machine learning model. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.